We on? Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, action. Everybody. Okay. Bubba, hang on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, action. Hello, everybody. Been a while since we done a video, so let me show you a little bit what we're trying to do here. So we got this very big old pretty tree right here. But as you can tell, if you look around the bottom of it, it's smothered. It's smothered with all kinds of stuff. And it's not good for the tree. So what I've been doing is clearing it out. But I have these trees right here that I'm fixing to cut. And that way, it's gonna get some breeze through here. Come here, I'll show you something. Now, see what happens when you let everything grow wild in your yard? See all this poison ivy? It ain't getting no sunlight to it. So all you're gonna get is poison ivy. See all this poison ivy? That should be grass. Instead it's poison ivy and weeds and bushes and thorns. So our goal is to, like I said, is clear all this out, make it look really nice around here, and make it look beautiful. All right, so what I'm gonna do is cut these trees down, and that way it gets some breeze through here. We ain't getting no breeze through, we ain't getting no sunlight through here. Every time it rains, it just saturates in there. So, like I said, I have my Stihl chainsaw here, and she's ready to go. 18-inch wood balls. Pretty good saw. Like I said, no hinge cut. There we go. Alright, here we go, one more. Back a little bit because this is go your way. Dead wood right here. All right, let's see. There we go. Let the wind catch it, let the wind catch it, let the wind catch it. There it goes, there it goes. Woo. Now this one looks like it's gonna fall that way. Watch out, it's gonna fall that way. Okay, folks. I'll see it all cleared out a little bit. Pretty cleared out. Now the hard part. But we're gonna cut this up into firewood, and we'll have some firewood for this winter. Y'all have a good day. Oh, and like and subscribe. Uh-oh, who's that? Who's that coming? Huh? Uh-oh. Who's that coming? Oh boy, she comes and says, what are you doing with my trees? What's going on with my trees? She said. All right, so we got a big old mess here, but it ain't gonna take long to get it all trimmed up, dragged over to the fire pit. Oh yeah, oh, she sees something. Look, she's thinking, oh, there's gonna be some bunny rabbits hiding in there. Oh, there she goes. All right, y'all have a good evening.